Never lose your precious memories or vital information again by backing up your Android phone to Google Drive. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Google option. Now, find and tap on Backup. This is where all the magic happens for safeguarding your data. On this screen, ensure backup to Google Drive is switched on. If it's off, simply toggle it on. You'll see the Google account that your data will be backed up to make sure it's the correct account you want to use. Here, you can see what data is being backed up. This usually includes your apps, photos and videos, SMS messages, device settings, and call history. To back up your data immediately, tap the Backup Now button. Your phone will then start uploading your selected data to Google Drive. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and the amount of data. Once completed, you'll see an indication of your last successful backup, usually showing the date and time. For a quick check, you can also open the Google Drive app, tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, and then select Backups. Here you can see your Android phone backup listed, confirming that your data is safely stored in the cloud. To ensure your data is always protected, Google Drive automatically backs up your phone regularly, usually when it's charging and connected to Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you can rest assured knowing your important Android data is secure and readily available whenever you need it.